Morning, Daddy Hughes. What, my brethren?
Me good. You know there, you know the call?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
so me just on the ground, Daddy Hughes, man.
Good.
Daddy Hughes, hear me now. I want you to explain two little things to me, but before me reach there, you have a caller that normally calling him teacher boss.
Oh, yes.
Daddy Hughes, I hear you trying to help him, but he keep on telling that him okay. I think he really needs some help, my brethren. He really needs some help. He not so collective at all.
Well, we picked that up from his utterances to us, but, you know, if you're not prepared to get the help, we can't help you, you know. You have to recognize that you need the help before people can help you.
Yes. And I see that you try everything not to run him.
Yeah.
But him push it in the direction that you are taking him for a fool.
Mm-hmm.
Right? But him needs some help, my brethren.
Yeah.
Daddy Hughes, you see the Gleaner yesterday? I want to understand what Craig Birch from the Integrity Commission. What is he really trying to say?
Mm-hmm.
Is it that the government is trying to water down the IC? That's what he's trying to say? Craig Birch Fund.
No. From the Gleaner reporting, from the story I read in the Sunday Gleaner, he's urging the parliamentarians not to water down the laws, the legislation governing how they conduct their business, their affairs, because he's fearful that if they were to water down how they now do their work, it will be to the detriment of fighting corruption in Jamaica.
Yes. I was trying to understand what he's trying to say, but Craig Burson must understand, you know, that use. Me not grow on that use. Majority of us out here, we lost interest in them, my brethren. I tell you the truth. And slowly, I've been asking the question. They bring a private investigation in the country. That's one thing that lingers over their head when they need to come explain to us, you know, my brethren.
Mm-hmm.
When they bring that private investigator in this country, pay $30 million of taxpayer money that they see and get from the government to run the entity, to investigate the Prime Minister, my brethren. Mm-hmm. And I know, we want to know what them find, because now you know, if those people at the IC define anything regarding the Prime Minister, Andrew would be charged. He would be charged.
I think that is a reasonable conclusion to draw, Fox. If there were anything there of substance, they would have nailed him.
They would have nailed the Prime Minister.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, me say Andrew Wallace great overnight over this, you know, me brethren. In the faith.
You see?
But it's sure.
Eh?
It's, how you mean?
It's great overnight.
The man great overnight over it, you know. But I see what they do, they refer to the FID. Mm-hmm. I don't know what much maybe somebody at FID you could call and explain to you, but I don't know what much they can do after this went through the Integrity Commission without charging on my brethren. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I mean, charge the Prime Minister, charge him, and then refer him to the FID so that the FID can do some more digging. But without charging the man, my brethren.
There's an outstanding matter.
Yes.
That we have not yet been told, and that is the referral to the FID of the report from the IC, yes, about the Prime Minister's affairs. And we have not heard from the FID.
Exactly.
What has happened? Well, I can only tell you that I'm hearing from credible sources, that the FID has made a decision and has told the IC, that's the Integrity Commission, what is its decision. And the IC has not told us. It has not said anything to the public. Yes. So it is going to be left up to us to ask or to try and get some ATI requests to find out what is the state of the issue regarding the Prime Minister's statutory declarations. Because the IC did refer to the FID.
Oh?
Yes, because they said after they brought in the forensic examiner, they couldn't find anything of substance to proceed any further. So they asked the FID to do further checks.
Yes.
And it is my information from what I call a credible source.
Yes.
In fact, two credible sources. Yeah, that the FID has told them, listen, we don't see anything. There's nothing here. And they have not said anything to the people of Jamaica. That's my information.
Yes, but you go under the digging, my brother, because the country is listening, you know. Every time you see them come up, besides Integrity Commission body, every time they come up and put out a statement, my brother, the Prime Minister rests on the back of Hala with Jamaican head. You hear me tell you? Because we saw them do him already, and we still are listening out very keenly. And that is why me give Warmington all the right, and not forget 1 red tent more until they can come straight to the people and tell me what really are going on. It's our money, not my brethren.
Yes, yes.
And we must demand answer for it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Big up yourself.
All right, Fox. Time for the break.
My hands were steady.
If we can get back Michael. Anthony, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Hughes. How are you?
I'm alive, you know, and warm compared to others in North America.
Okay, understood. I'm just calling to find out, maybe you can help me. I don't know if I missed it. Usually in October 2020, October of each year, the Integrity Commission would normally gazette the statutory declarations of both the Prime Minister and the opposition leader, correct?
Is it October? I can't.
Or late down in the year of any year.
I know they're required to do it annually, but as to exactly when, that slips me for the moment.
Okay. Well, based on my research that I have looked on, all I'm seeing is the 2023 statutory declarations for the opposition leader. I haven't seen one for 2024, and usually that would be published. Based on what I see online, the trend, usually it's October going down into the latter part of the year. So I don't know if from the news media side, if you would know if it was published, yes or no, or I guess it is.
I'd have to check, sir. I don't recall it being published yet.
Oh, okay. Understood. All right, that's what I just wanted to find out.
All right.
All right, no problem. Take care, sir.
Good. 5 minutes after 11. Papa Nana, good morning.
Hello, Mr. Hughes.
Good morning, Papa Nana.
How you do?
Me good, you know. Me good. How are you?
I just want to big up Janelle. I don't know her, but I just want to big up Janelle.
Yes, it's her birthday.
Beautiful son, Jackson.
Yes.
Yes, man, I know you're proud, but you can't go and talk, man. Me bigger than you.
All right, sir. Respect you.
But get and tell me what happened now. Out of all of my children, them have one grand pick me get, you know. And you know, say me know that old.
Oh. Yes. But, can you know just a turn 32 somewhere there? I bet me gather.
Mr. Hughes, you know, say you're a prophet. you know, say you could have made more money more than what you get, you know. We
should have gone into the reading business.
Oh, you? Jesus, my God, you like dead to give me a chance. You just ahead of me at that time. Me say you ever just wrap your head with turban, one turban like when they wrap me crap on head with man and call me. One grapefruit and your Bible, man, and make me start bust some wicked tune in the man. Your bad mind, your grudgeful, me say you envious. Thank God. Those are the richest man in the country. And a serious note now.
Yes.
A gentleman who is very, very dissatisfied. He said barrel from November, so, and it has 3-4 months ago, and he had a dead that is buried next week, and he had a pass in it because there's no light where he is by generator, and I know it cannot clear.
And from how long it come in?
From November it come in, Mr. Hughes, and he say, I know he can't clear it. And it's the same thing with my sister sending food this year with life from November, and I know it cannot be clear, Mr. Hughes.
Yes, the ports are congested because a lot of stuff came in for the Hurricane Melissa relief effort, and a lot has not yet been cleared.
Can't clear, sir. Can't clear. And another community thing here again, sir. Down at St. Julius, not digital flow provider, no internet down there more than a month ago. No internet down there.
Where exactly is this?
St. Julius.
St. Julius.
St. Julius.
Oh, where is that?
Scottsboro.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes, St. Julius. Yes. You don't hear in it, Barn and Grove, and St. Julius.
Yes. So flow, and it's flow down there?
Yes, sir, flow down there. They say it burn up over one big mango tree there for how long now, and them call them, and none of them will ever go.
Oh. So flow, your customers...
Let me tell you exactly where it is. You hear about the guys them that they killed in the house? Them down here?
In the house?
Yeah, they shoot out with the police and some guys that was in our house down there.
That's the one who they say the police slaughtered him after he came out.
No, man. Then there must be 4 of them died down that the party, you know. Sent to this. But them saying here to one big mango tree down there, the lady is asking me, please, because he is saying that is the only hope him have is when we call you.
So St. Julius in Manchester.
Yes, sir.
Manchester, St. Julius.
Exactly.
Flow nowhere. Flow, yeah, you need to turn on the people in internet, right?
Yes, sir. And Mr. Hughes, the next thing, can the Prime Minister Lawyer give us a hint of what is really going on with that integrity, with his thing there? Because we're not hearing anything from nobody. Can you get in touch with the Prime Minister Lawyer?
Well, the Prime Minister will have to issue any such instruction to his lawyer, and they would in turn have to advise him what is in his best legal and political interest. Yes? Exactly. When you have a client like the Prime Minister, it's both legal and political, and what is nationally responsible will have to be taken into any advice that they would give to him. Yeah. But
as fact said, Mr. Hughes, how long can he carry that load around his neck, man? That I mean, good God, man.
Yes.
It is too much too long now, man. We need some disclosure.
Yes.
It's full time, man. Oh my God, man. I mean, man. Oh God.
But our information is that FID has sent to the Integrity Commission, yes, the finding,
yes,
right? And I gather nothing is there, and they haven't said a word.
Yes.
The Integrity Commission.
And one last thing, sir. I am asking if you could give me a contact number for Dr. Professor Eldemeyer Shearer. Mr. Hughes, you know, it's from 1977 I dealing with that lady, and I just cannot get in touch with her.
Oh, okay. Hold on for our producer. She's listed in the directory, you know. She is...
No, Mr. Hughes, I know me, I go tell that. Me name
she's at the Mona Aging Center, Aging and Wellness Center at UWI Mona. Yes?
Yeah, but I need your
hold on for our producer. Let's go to another caller now. Thank you, Papa Nana.